What's happening, good people? I go by the name Phoenix Flame. I'm a music producer and today I'm back with a new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm gonna break down one of my songs that I just did. This was requested by one of my subscribers. He said he wanted something like Mdu type of beat, Mdu aka Trp type of beat. So this is just a breakdown. I'll probably do a cook-up session probably somewhere this week for another song because I'm finishing up my Amapiano EP. So because people are asking me if I'm dropping one. Anyway, let's get straight into this. This is how it sounds. This is what I have so far. So first things first is the drums. I always use drums by Cashmere. Most of my tutorials, they built around the Cashmere drums. So you should definitely get those. So let's start with the drums. It's a simple 4/4 pattern. Then I played these chords. I'm using Omnisphere. The name of this patch is, let me just check for you real quick. Super Tech Roads 1. Then it's a pad from Purity. It's layered with a tremolo signal. Then it's the horns, basic horns. Then it's guitar from Arcade. I'm lying, sorry about that. It's the lead piano sound. It's the Rhodes really. Then it's this guitar line. This is this guitar line from my hook. Then it's the shakers. I think that's about it. The rest is just transition effects. They're from Cashmere Volume 3. Yes, like everything from Cashmere. Just to give like some ambiance in the beginning of the song. For the bridge, I played some saxophones. Yeah, and that's about it. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, share with your friends. I go by the name Phoenix Flame. I'm signing out.